khñiang wagi warep uye gi wokai rap bonus so ikra jitom herap iriang itung itep unegas ngi ka Central Integrated Pest Management Center Shillong kamchi benta ga kharif arajar arjar le dapaman ga ye sikai wa ash ngi yagi warep ha West Jaiñtia Hills yotimit ki yagi khñiang wa pynsih yagi marep kamjo gi khñiang wa yeda kani man harok ko katkam ga thong yong sarkar bai lembaga Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Director of Plants Protection Quarantine and Storage khñiang wagi warep utip gi kaman ule her ko ma biang tam hawa thong kamjo le u yeda ye jej marep korkom sikai to le ya ik warep chapan thorwa asantuk siar wari bha le yaki hagi soliang kini ki warep ki warya chimenta re her ga chahali yoje yaki jej khñiang haden naite de warya rap ki buru wapaj yaini de ya draw ye dur ku ba kot sada wada tho de bo le jar ki pertut jej khñiang wada yo ki ujet haperdi ko pynsih wa ka yada ka ba ugorokul ram m Plant Protection Officer CIPMC Shillong kam ubru champang yong gani ga sikai ong gani to agro ecosystem analysis namo wa tho bania ye long iman haso dong gi marep khñiang yo ye ule ye wok em kam ne banta upunku ye kam rap chwa ini hai por step da em gailang pasnya tho ya ki warep hadrong gani ga jo kapang ya ko wada pan man hayung kre ka district agriculture officer jowai wada em lang na do EMH pasa director agriculture officer na drong ki b1 ki sahab wa ki kre ka chana agriculture.
This is Gokul Ram from Central IPM Center Shillong for Meghalaya State. Last week our team has been conducted on a survey in this area. We found some of the pest and diseases. So to mitigate that measures, we have formulated this orientation training program for farmers and agriculture officers with the help of a state department. The objective of training is to train the farmers and agriculture officers in regarding integrated pest management strategy for prevailing pest as well as the disease. So today we have conducted the training for the 40 farmers and 5 agriculture station functionaries in these records. So activities followed in the field is that we made the group 40 members into 4 groups. All the 4 groups has been named as a defenders names and they have taken to the field. We conducted the agro ecosystem analysis. Agro ecosystem analysis is a systematic procedure to what we have to do it in the field to take any decisions in case of plant protections or input anything depending upon the climatic conditions, soil conditions, water level, pest and diseases level. So all the groups has been made as small groups. They have went to the field one by one. They have made the observations. The first step is called field inspection by the small groups. They have observed, collected the pest and defenders, and they have recorded the data, number of pests and per the fields and all. Then they have reassembled to the second step for the drawing, ASR drawing, where they are interpreting all the data into the form of presentation with the charts, drawings, with a pictorial representation of pest and defenders. That they used to calculate the pest defender ratio by the help of the facilitators and state functionaries. Then the third step will be like the analysis, agro ecosystem analysis with available collected data, what the farmers are getting concluded, what is the further course of action the farmer has to do with the help of the facilitators. The facilitators will help us to determine what conclusion has to decide. Then the fourth step is the ASA presentations. Out of the group farmers who is able to come out with voluntarily to present the data what they have recorded and what is the final conclusions they are taking with the available inputs. Here the critical point comes where all the functionaries, all the plant protection officers are available, where they can determine that whether the conclusion taken by the farmer is good or it has to be corrected or it has to be verified according to the scenario. So this kind of agro ecosystem analysis process will give the confidence to the farmers to take the proper decision making on field on plant protection as well as the protections.